Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is: a customer opened a file attachment and now her PC is infected with ransomware. She is unable to open any of her files. Which action would you take first? Option A: restore files from backup. Option B: pay the ransom, recover the data. Option C: run an antivirus scan. Option D: reinstall the operating system. Option E: disconnect the PC from the network. And the answer of the question is the first action you should take after a ransomware infection is option E: disconnect the PC from the network. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.